It's only been a day. We've already got our first sale. Holy shit, guys. I just got a notification, and that means we've officially crossed. Welcome back. We just launched the beta of our app. It's time to make thousands of dollars. This week is gonna be pretty fucking busy. Like today, it's currently 1:37 a.m. and I'm just sitting here and trying to perfect our landing page just for SEO purposes so we start showing up more in Google searches. It is time to release to the first 100 users. Look at this. Okay, so on my Instagram, I'm quite fortunate to have all your support, and I have around 180,000 followers. So a couple of days ago when I was building out the last few features of ResuMax before launching it, I threw up this story that basically just says, I'm building out ResuMax, sign up for the waitlist now, you don't want to miss it. And as of today, we have 788 people on the waitlist. I don't even know if I want to give all those people access. At first, I'm going to do a little closed beta where I send it out to the first 100 people that signed up, and we'll see how that goes. So I set up a MailChimp account, and this is our first email. So tomorrow morning, because right now it's 1:45 a.m., the select 100 people will get this email where they could click right there to get access to the closed beta. I'll see you tomorrow. Let's just get into it. Guys, this is so crazy. It's only been a day. We've already got our first sales. You have no idea how addicted I am to this. I decided, it, let's make this open beta. So I threw up another story and we sent out another email to 775 people. Hopefully nothing crashes. I have so much work to do. The biggest lie you've ever believed is that coding has to be hard. And I hate that I did not know this earlier. So it's officially been exactly 6 days since we've released ResuMax, and we are at 1,093 users. And honestly, today I realized the truth is coding is just like working out. You don't get jacked in just a few days of exercising. You need to show up every single day to get results, and they incrementally show. All of the work I've put in the last month is starting to compile, and I'm starting to see the results, and it's making everything so rewarding. And I can't tell you the amount of times I started coding something and gave up just because I had the wrong mentality. Anyways, in other big news, we've also officially hit $500 in revenue, and that's because I changed this feature. Okay, so on the review tab, we first of all improved the UI and added all these different job types ranging from software engineering to business and finance to healthcare, basically anything you can think about. And you go more in detail for each job. For example, I want to do backend engineering for entry-level roles, and then you go ahead and start your review. And I fine-tuned the review itself, so it now goes more in detail into each criteria, because obviously the better the results, the more people are going to want to use this feature. Okay, so now even if you're not a pro user, you could see some sort of detailed feedback where you could see your different scores for different sections, like your ATS, your content, your writing score, job match, and your ready score. Then I have this CTA to get people to engage with the website more, where it's like, let's get you job ready. You have to close the gap to get to 95% plus, because that creates some sort of sense of urgency where your resume is almost there, but not quite there. Maybe that's why you're not getting interviews. Then, you know, the detailed feedback itself is really, really good. Like, look how in depth it goes for my bullet points, telling me exactly what to do and on what line to improve. And that's just all prompt engineering. I was then just taking advantage of my social media, and when I was visiting home, I threw up this story that was like, go get your free resume review with this link. And then I was talking about how in depth everything goes and how making sure you have a resume score above 95 triples your chances of getting hired. And from that, I saw 400 more users. Man, I love my audience. Thank you guys. We're not even halfway there yet. Let's keep grinding. Alright, I've been working on this for the last 3 days in the meantime, and I just completely revamped the resume generation. It's so good right now. So now you go in and create your resume, and immediately you can see a live preview. I can also now go ahead and choose between all these different sections. So there's more flexibility. For example, I can add research, leadership, different awards if I wanted to. And then you actually see the live preview of your resume right beside it as you make changes. Then for each section, you could go ahead and optimize the bullet points with our AI, which gives the perfect quantified bullet points back following the accomplish X through Y using Z method. And inside this, you could also go ahead and bold all key information like these numbers, and it will go ahead and reflect those changes in the live preview. Coolest part is how much better the tailoring to job resumes is now, because tailoring your resume specific to job application triples your chances of getting hired. So look at this. Let's say, for example, this Meta software engineering job posting. Just go ahead and copy all of this, including the qualifications, paste it in this tailored resume to job section. Then just like that, I got my fully formatted PDF reorganized to match what they think would better fit the job description. This is gonna help so many people get hired and hopefully drive new users. Let's keep up the grind. All right, guys, I just spent the last hour or two setting up our Instagram and TikTok profiles for ResuMax because UGC content is gonna be king for marketing. The idea is to keep posting different things related to resumes or job searching, etc. on these Instagram and TikTok accounts. Actually, let me show you what it looks like. So right now, I literally just have my logo, a small little bio, and then this little banner that's like, still can't land a job, how ResuMax works, get your free AI resume review. So the idea is on these social media platforms, I'm gonna be posting around 4 or 5 times a week, different videos related to resumes, job searching, etc. And the idea is to get organic traffic to the website. Let me actually show you what one of the videos I'm cooking up right now looks like. Okay, so I went to TikTok and searched for resume AI generate because that's my niche. And then I just looked through all these different videos because this is what was successful in other competitors to drive traffic to their apps. And I just went ahead and saved a bunch of different videos that I thought might be helpful. One that I noticed, I was like, this silly video has 2.8 million views and 40K likes. So I went ahead and recorded basically the exact same video. And that's gonna be our first post. And that's basically all we did today. No coding. I have to start pushing this because our product is technically ready. One thing I'm realizing right now though, damn is it true that building an app to $1,000 does not happen overnight. On top of everything that you don't see, I'm also balancing engineering school and social media. It gets so crazy busy for me. I cannot tell you the amount of times I spend 16 hours working a day. The only way it is remotely possible to do all of this work is leveraging AI in your workflows. For example, for coding, I'm currently using Claude Code and Warp. And then for research, I'm bouncing between ChatGPT's Deep Research and Perplexity. But really, the hardest part of my life is planning everything and then following through with it. And that is where Notion and Notion's new AI agent comes into play. It creates systems that helps me finish tasks and not just start them. Let me put you on to some things I use Notion AI agent for, so you could copy me and leverage these agents in your own workflows and optimize your productivity. All right, so first of all, with school, I have a midterm coming up in this competitive programming class I'm taking, and it's basically just an advanced LeetCode class. So I'm going into my Notion AI agent and asking it to make a study sheet document based off of everything in the Blind 75 document that I wrote already. And then just like that, I got this really beautiful study cheat sheet I could just read through based off of all of my previous notes. This is super clutch. Now, for social media, you don't just scale to 67,000 subscribers overnight. You have to be consistently putting out new videos with new ideas. And right now, I literally just brain dump everything into a notebook on a page. It's so disorganized, it makes me feel like I'm going insane sometimes. And now that I started using Notion's new AI agent, it actually saves me so much. So I just took a picture of my notes, drag and dropped it into the agent, and then asked it, based off of this brain dump of ideas, can you clean this up into well-formatted content ideas with brief summaries for each? And then now I have a place to reference all of my ideas to come back to. And then I actually want to go ahead and ask it to create a content tracker to keep track of these videos as well as any potential future partnerships. And because Notion AI's agent is able to create and connect, view all your databases, I now have a new database to keep track of all of my content for both my own videos and potential future partnerships, which just makes my life so much easier. I can't even begin to explain it to you. Now, I didn't even get into the coolest feature they have in my opinion, and that is their new connection to apps. So as you can see, I went ahead and connected my own Jira and Slack already. You could also go ahead and include your GitHub, your Gmail, Google Drive, Microsoft Teams, etc. And now I'm just gonna ask it, create a bug tracking dashboard and then fetch information from these sites like my Jira, my Slack, and then the rest of my Notion pages. And look at this, it ended up going through all my 9 tasks that are assigned to me on my own Jira for ResuMax. And what's so cool is it actually read my Slack messages from my Emport teammate and was like, we identified this critical issue. And it added it to the bug tracking dashboard for me, ranked with different priorities, as well as reporting dates. This is honestly such a mind-blowing feature. I'm never going back. I used to have to do all of this stuff manually, and now AI agents can do it all faster and better, and this is literally just the tip of the iceberg with Notion. So let Notion do your work for you and check it out in the link in the description below. Let's continue with the grind. I'll see you tomorrow. So it's been around a week since we started the UGC content grind, and we're absolutely killing it. So far on Instagram, we're at 67,000 views, and on TikTok, another 50,000 views. And ever since I started posting UGC content, our users have doubled from 1,000 to 2,000, and we're now at $750 in revenue. So it's really working. In fact, let me show you what I'm trying right now. So on Instagram, I picked the highest performing video, which was at 36,000 views, and it's this. It's pretty funny if you ask me. Like, I don't know why that's going so well. It's just a simple 10-second video with no audio. It's honestly pretty stupid. But anyways, I decided to boost this as an Instagram ad. And so far on the Instagram ad manager, for a total spend of $10, we got an extra 1,000 impressions and 39 link clicks, which I would assume would turn into around 30 users. That's really cool, huh? $10 for 30 users. And if one of those 30 ends up becoming a paid user, it already paid for itself. I don't know why I'm loving going into ads so much. It's cool marketing, something you built yourself. I also did the same thing for TikTok, and look how cool the difference is. My best performing video is this, where I basically just go like, this website will get you hired, and I go through and show the resume review features, and boosting that for an additional 8,000 to 13,000 views was only 23 Canadian dollars. So the cost per impression is so much higher on TikTok, but the conversion probably isn't as high. Really, really interesting, huh? Kind of nerding out over it. Anyways, let's get into the actual coding today. Okay, so we added two really important features. The first is super simple, and it's this new routing plan at $60 for 6 months. And that's because the LTV, or lifetime value, of a subscription would be super low. So more often than not, someone pay for 1 or 2 months, get the resume perfected, then stop using the platform. So what we want is to offer a serious discount if you commit to 6 months, which is the average span of a recruiting cycle. And it's because we're eventually going to add different features like an interview prep tool, a networking tool, and because it takes around 3 or 4 months of applying to jobs to actually get your first interviews in the first place. So the idea is to have this all-in-one plan that takes you through the entire 6-month recruiting process, plus make more money, obviously. Now, the other thing we've been doing is adding more resume templates. We used to only have Jake's resume template, and you could go ahead and see the MIT resume, the Stanford resume template, and another popular one is the DD resume template. And we're just going to keep adding more and more for different sectors like finance, management, etc. Because the more resume templates, the more helpful it is for the general population, and maybe the more people will come use our platform. Excited to see where this goes. Let's keep grinding. Holy guys, I just got a notification. We just had another sale for a 6-month plan at $60 US. And that means we've officially crossed $1,000 in gross revenue. I can't believe it. It's only been 23 days since we've been live. I can't express to you how happy I am right now. I'm like shaking. And look at this. This almost makes me even happier. It's not even about the money. We've impacted 2,600 people. The number one reason I became a software engineer is the ability to build something out of nothing with just your computer. And because that something has the ability to help thousands of people. And seeing that what I'm doing is indeed actually working and helping so many people in this awful job market is such a full circle moment. At this point, I'm truly addicted to coding and bringing you guys along with me on this journey. This is wild. 23 effing days. I can't wait to see what the future holds. I'll see you in the next one.